Hi everyone and welcome to another week of online learning. I'm just going to run through some of the things that you are going to be doing this week so that you know where they are located and the expectations for you. Again, our human geography calendar is really where you should go to see every single day what you're going to be doing for homework as well as attendance piece. So for today you're going to be reading an article on the HuG people, which is located on your Google Classroom page. Please know that each of you is assigned a specific article, and so therefore you are going to have to work on the Google Doc. When you open the Google Doc, you will notice that there are boxes for you to answer questions in. So for instance, after the first paragraph, there's a question of what are they about to do? And then you are going to answer in complete or whole sentences the answer to that question. Some of them are going to be reading comprehension questions. Others are going to be opinion-based questions in which you can answer in whatever way that you would like. This article is a little bit longer, and so I did say that you could have at least half of the article done for day 2 and then finish that article up on the next day. With that being said, I know that some of you may not want to read this on your own, and so there is a YouTube read aloud, and I'll click on this link for a second. You'll notice that there are graphics to show you or give you some visuals, along with if there are any words that you may not know. They have been defined at the bottom, and again, I'll kind of just hop along here. You'll notice that this is the read aloud. There are pictures, and at the very bottom here there is a stop to answer the question in the reading, so you know as soon as I'm done reading this page out loud to you that you need to go back to that reading and answer that question. So again, the read aloud is there for you, and that is day 2 of this week. Day 3 then I also attached for you. Day 3 is your HuG paragraph, and this is really the portion you're going to complete on your own before we talk as a whole class, in which you are going to write a claim about the prompt, who is a better life, the HuG or us. And so I want you to then tell me this group of people has the better life in your claim. And you should be finding 3 specific pieces of evidence, direct quotes, copied and pasted from the article, and then put them here, and then with those paragraph numbers, so you will have to count those paragraphs out. On day 4 this week, then we're going to be meeting as a whole class. We are going to discuss the HuG article. By that point, you should have the entire article read as well as all of the questions answered. And then you are going to be, after our discussion, answering that prompt as a CA paragraph written on page 2 of that same document. In our WebEx discussion, we will talk about how to analyze evidence again, as well as what a completed paragraph looks like. So look for that in our WebEx discussion. That is it for this week. There is no COVID journal entry. However, you should have journal entries 1 and 2 done because I'll be checking through those. If you have questions, reach out to me. Again, my office hours are from 9 to 11 daily, as well as I'm available by email. Bye. I hope everyone has a great week of online learning.